The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has a crease, a noticeable crease here. It is expensive and the cameras aren't as good as the S10 or the iPhone 11, but it can do this, and the hinge is also pretty stiff.
I love you like la 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 la.
What you just saw was what Samsung called Flex Mode, and you can use it for video calls, for YouTube and split screen, but not too many apps support it yet. We think this is the compelling feature of the Z Flip. But what about the price though? This is something you really have to come to terms with.
You see, when the Motorola, the brick phone came out, the Dynatag, it was around 3,000 Deutschmarks for us commercially to buy. And in today's world, it is around 9,000 US dollars. And it is crazy. It was crazy expensive. A lot of people were really fired up at the time of being reachable anywhere in the world, wire-free. And to start with, many Wall Street guys really had it, and then it trickled down to us.
It is fair to say that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip does not have that same, oh my god, how does a cell phone work? But it does have enough level innovation in there with the Flex Mode to keep us interested.
It was the most used feature when we're using it. It is the most feature when we're using it, and we believe it is the feature to have. Of course, there are shortcomings. It doesn't close all the way. You need two hands to open and close it. There is a noticeable small gap present when you close it, and the screen actually scratches despite the fact it is ultra thin glass.
This is the story of the thinnest, most flexible glass on Earth.
Despite the noticeable crease, and yes, there's no way of getting away from it, it does have great performance and great battery life.
It is super solid and well built.
The tiny outer screen really isn't that useful, but you can see notifications, time, and take selfies with it.
It all reminds me of Back to the Future, and the flip phone has always been my favorite phone back in the days, and despite of all the shortcomings the Galaxy Z Flip has, we love it. And maybe part of it is nostalgia you have when you simply lived through that time. On the other hand though, even our kids showed interest in the Galaxy Z Flip, and they're simply curious of the device. The most standout feature to them is it can fold.
Did you know that the first cell phone, the Motorola Brick, only lasted 30 minutes of talk time before the battery died? But people still wanted to buy it.
They simply wanted to be part of that innovation and revolution at the time.
Full disclosure, we did not bother with the Galaxy Fold because we think a folding phone,
a folding clamshell phone, is the future. And maybe you do have a different opinion, but I would ask you this: if you had a choice between the Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Flip for the same price, let's make it 1,000 US dollars, which one would you choose?
If you were unsure of the Galaxy Z Flip, I'll say one thing. I was somebody who was not interested in this device at all, and now it's come, I'm super impressed at how far they've come with the foldable phones.
And guys, if you like our video, if you like our channel, make sure you like and subscribe, because that's what we do. We do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews, and we try to entertain you. Jens here from Alterspace.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.